guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. So in our last video, we went through our new investor bot, updated a little bit, and today I'm going to go through exactly how you can go about downloading this, modifying it, and running it on your own. So as you can see, we've got it running right now. It's been running since the market opened this morning. I've just been waking up and starting it in the morning to see how it does. Overall, it's been pretty positive so far. Was looking really good today and then kind of took a dive here. But if we scroll through, you can see most of the trades are positive still, which is nice. So if you want to use this, there's a couple things you're going to need to do. First is if you go over to my Discord, it's not currently uploaded yet because I still want to fix a couple more things with it and make sure it's good to go. But it'll be down here at the bottom under these previous versions that are available for download. Would highly recommend this newest one that I just made because it's a lot more readable and easy to edit. Second thing you're going to need to do is get on Alpaca because that's the market that we're doing this through, the broker. I would recommend if you want to try some strategies, get an account going, go to paper trading. You can generate your API keys and set whatever account balance you want and then have it practice trading. And from there, you're going to take those keys, throw them into here, and make sure you have this URL, which will be in the code already. And you can edit any stocks that you want it specifically to watch here. You can edit the time frame here. And you can edit these exponential moving averages. If you want to try different period lengths, you can just change these numbers right here, and that'll change that. But that's the basics. Once you get this code downloaded from here, you're going to need to make sure you have Python installed in your computer. So you can just search that up, Python 3 installation, install that. And then what you're going to have to do is go into a PowerShell. And you're going to need to make sure you have these libraries. So these last two are built in. But these first four here, you're going to need to install with this command right here. Get a new terminal open. So you're going to type pip 3, and what that stands for is Python installer package, and it'll install different libraries for you. It comes with, when you download Python 3, it'll come with this attached to it. So you're gonna type pip3 install, and let's just do one just to show what it'll look like. We'll do pandas. So I already have it, so you're not going to see the actual download, but you will see that it goes through and makes sure that all the requirements are already satisfied. So see, we have all these requirements satisfied, so it didn't have to download anything. If you didn't, it would download it, and then you'd be able to use it from this code. The last thing then, when you want to run it, you're going to type Python 3 and the InvestorBot v4.py and run it from there. And yeah, so just make sure, edit your stuff in here. For whatever you need to put in your own API key and API secret key, and you can change the stocks. You can leave the ones in that I'm watching currently. This is just a couple kind of a mishmash of some S&P 500 and a couple other ones that seemed interesting. I'll probably post a video about how I go about picking different stocks to have this thing monitor. And yeah, you can change stuff up. I'm going to be releasing some new versions in the future for to be able to do different trading strategies and stuff like that based off of what you want to do. So if you have any suggestions for trading strategies that you would want to see automated, drop those in the comments. If you do end up downloading this and using it, I would appreciate hopping in the Discord and tell us about your results. Any numbers that you've tried that, like different periods and stuff like that, that work better or worse, and just some other discussion, stuff like that. But with that said, a little bit of a short video today. Just wanted to get this out there so people know how to go about using this if they want to try it out. But other than that, that's all I have for today. So I hope everyone enjoyed and that you have some fun with this code if you get the chance to download it. But I will see you guys in the next video, and have a great day.